Hello everyone, this is my review of the XPPen drawing tablet. Right out of the box, it was super easy to set up, just plug and play, especially for OSU. Players like me, no extra drivers needed, which is a huge plus. The pen feels very natural to use, and I love that it's battery-free, no charging, no interruptions. The pressure sensitivity is impressive for such a small and affordable tablet. It gives me great control while sketching and doing quick digital art, and it responds smoothly without any noticeable lag. The 4x3-inch size is compact, which makes it very portable. I can easily throw it in my bag and use it with my laptop on the go. While the active area is small, it's perfect for note-taking. I wouldn't use it for large, detailed illustrations, but that's not what it's designed for. Overall, it's responsive, ultra-thin, lightweight, and I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.